This 2013 Jayco Seneca 37TS Triple Slide is a Super C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 39 feet 1 inch in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, Skylight, Slideout, TV, air conditioning, self-contained, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2013 Jayco Seneca 37TS Triple Slide is built on a Freightliner Business Class M2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.